Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 1.2. First question. Find the adjoint of the matrix A is equal to 2 by 2 matrices is given. First row is 2, 3. Second row is 1, 4. So here 2 by 2 matrices is given. I'll just teach you one shortcut method. You can try it only for 2 by 2 matrices, not for your 3 by 3 matrices. Okay. So straight away you can write your adjoint of A. Normally what we'll do is we'll find the cofactor, then you'll have to transpose it, then it will become a subjoint. Okay. So here for 2 by 2 matrices what you'll have to do is the diagonal this matrix what is there you'll have to interchange it. Okay. So interchanging is 4 will come here and 2 will go there. The next is this diagonal matrix don't interchange but change only the symbol or sign. If you want to change your symbol means what you'll have to do, 3 is there. So put minus 3. Don't change the 3 and bring it here. 3 should be there only but give symbol minus. Then here 1 is there, so put minus 1. If you have minus 1 means you'll have to write plus 1. Okay. That is changing your symbol, you'll get your adjoint of A. So this is the answer for your first question. Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 1.2. Second question. If A is equal to your 3 by 3 matrices is given 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Then verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I and also find A inverse. So we'll have to do left hand side separately and right hand side separately. So I've just written the steps here for left hand side. By seeing your question itself, you can find out this thing. A into adjoint of A is. So first you need adjoint of A. To find your adjoint of A, you need your cofactor. Okay, so I've just written cofactor of Aij. Then cofactor of Aij, the transpose will become as your adjoint of A. Once you find your adjoint of A, you have to find A into adjoint of A. That is your matrix multiplication. Therefore, your left hand side will be done. Okay. So first is you have to find a cofactor. So to find cofactor Aij. So just put a big bracket. So you have to insert symbols over there, otherwise sign. For that you have got one format is there. So plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So this format of symbols you will have to insert it for your Aij. So I'll just write the matrices as it is here in your rough column 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. So just write this in your rough column and keep it. Now you will have to eliminate your rows and column according to your first element, second element like that. Okay, so first you will have to see your cofactor, that is your minor for 1 you will have to. So the regarding row and column has to be eliminated. So to eliminate a row and column, I am just keeping your scale over there. So that column and the regarding row has to be eliminated. So first element means row and column just eliminated. Now see what are the left out terms, that will be the minor. Okay, so plus symbol you have to add it. So put plus. So here it is 4, 3, 3, 4 is left out. So this is your first term. Now second one is, that is your second column and your first row. You can draw with the lines and also do, but here I am just doing with the scale. Okay, so each time you can't draw it and rub it off it. So because of that I am doing with the scale. Okay, so here row and column I just crossed out. So here it is minus second one. So now left out is 1, 3, 1, 4. So just write it here 1, 3, 1, 4. Now your third element it is 3. So symbol is plus only. So the same row, only the column has to be moved. Okay, so column we just move it. Row is there as it is. So keep the row as it is. So the left out is 1, 4. 1, 3. So this is the minor for your 3. Now for second one it is minus, that is your second row, first element it is minus. So this number has to be crossed out. So what you will have to do is, now cross this one. On the first column you have to cross it and the second row has to be crossed out here. Like this. Now what is left out is 3, 3, 3, 4. So the next one is plus. So put plus here. So again for your second term, second row, second element. So it is here. So this one will go. So what is left out is 1, 3, 1, 4. So 1, 3, 1, 4. Now the symbol is minus. Your last element in your second row has to be crossed out. So left out is 1 3 1 3. So 1 3 1 3. Now to your third row first element. Okay, so third row first element. So that column has to be removed. Only thing is logic is wherever whichever term you are taking or whichever element you are taking, the regarding row and column has to be crossed out. Okay, so for each element you will have to do it, or for each term you will have to do it. Okay, so here it is there. So left out is 3 3 4 3 with plus. So plus 3 3 4 3. The next is minus, this minus. Now the column, second column and third row has to be crossed out. So it is 1 3 1 3. So 1 3 1 3. Then the last one is plus. The symbol from here you will have to pick up. Close your third column. So what is left out is this one. It is 1 3 1 4. So hope it is clear. So you can cross out with your hands also, otherwise you can cross out with your pen or pencil, whatever it is. So here I wanted to show you all, so I am just doing with the scale. Okay. So once you finish up this one, now you will have to go for your solving. So that is equal to, now for solving what you will have to do is this diagonal minus this diagonal and the inbuilt minus will be there. So that is diagonal, that is your from your x like x. Okay, just remember like x, then inbuilt minus. So these two elements you will have to multiply, then these two elements you have to multiply, or terms you have to multiply, then inbuilt minus will be there. So that minus you will have to take it over there. Okay, so here 4 4s are 16, plus is there outside, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, but minus is there, so put that minus 9. Okay, then minus 4 1s are 4, this one, then minus 1 3s are 3, then plus is there, 3 1s are 3, minus 4. Second row, minus 3 4s are 12, then inbuilt minus will be here, 3 3s are 9. Then it is plus 4 1s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3. Then it is minus 3 1s are 3, again it is 3 1s are 3, but minus 3. Now the last row, plus is there, 3 3s are 9, minus 4 3s are 12, this one. Then this minus is there outside, again 3 1s are 3, minus, again this 3 1s are 3. Then plus is there outside, 4 1s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3. So again the next step solving is 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. This minus will be there. First cancel inside, then put minus. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. So then minus 1. Then 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Plus into minus is minus. So it is minus 1. The next one is 12 minus 9 is 3. Minus is there. So minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So plus 1 only. Again 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 doesn't have any symbol. So I can put 0. Now 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Because bigger number symbol is minus, or you can put minus, and that minus and plus will become minus only. Okay, so 3 minus 3 is 0, again 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is your Aij, that is your cofactor. So second step is adjoint of A, you will have to find it, that is Aij the transpose. So we have got Aij here, you will have to find only the transpose to get your adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equal to Aij the whole transpose. So write your Aij as it is 7 minus 1 minus 1, minus 3 1 and 0, minus 3 0 and 1. So for this you will have to put your transpose. To write your transpose, what you will have to do is just change your rows into column, otherwise columns into rows. Anything you can do it. So I will just do it here. Rows, columns into rows, I will just change it. So first column, write it into rows. So 7 minus 3 minus 3. Second column to second row. So what will happen? Minus 1 1 and 0. Third column to third row. So it will become minus 1, 0 and 1. So this is your adjoint of A. The next step is A into adjoint of A. So A into adjoint of A. So A is nothing but a question that is there. 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Then your adjoint of A, that is 7 minus 3 minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Now for matrix multiplication, you should have studied in your 10th standard. What you will have to do is first row and first column. Then first row, second column, then first row, third column. Then for each row and column, you will have to do it. That will be the matrix multiplication. Okay. So we'll just proceed with the first row. So 1 into this 7. So 7 ones are 7. 3n minus 1 minus 3. Again 3n minus 3. Minus 1, it is minus 3. Clear? So with first row we have completed. So first row, second column you will have to take it. First column is over, then second column. Now this 1 and this minus 3. So it will become minus 3. 3 and this 1, that is plus 3. This 3 and this 0. So it is plus 0. Clear? The next one is, if you want, you can put brackets so that you can see it separately. Now the next one is first row, third column. This column you'll have to do it. So 1 and minus 3 is minus 3. 3 and 0 is 0. 3 and 1 is 3. Clear? So your first row is over. Now going to your second row. Second row, first column. Again you will have to go to first column only. Okay. So 7 ones are 7. 4 ones are 4, that is minus 4. 3 ones are 3, but minus 3. Then the next one is second row, second column, you will have to do it. So what is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 4 into 1 is 4. 3 into 0 is 0. Then the second row, again third column, you will have to do it. Okay, this column. So it is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 4 into 0 is 0. 3 ones are 3. So with this your second row is done. Now going to your third row, first column. Again first column you will have to do it. 1 sevens are 7. 3 ones are 3, but minus is there, so minus 3. 4 ones are 4, again minus is there, so minus 4. Now third row, second column you will have to do it. So 1 3s are 3, with minus is there, so minus 3. 3 ones are 3, again plus 3. 4 into 0 is 0. Then the next one is third row, third column, last element. Okay. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 3 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. Equal to minus 3 it will become minus 6. So 7 minus 6 will become 1. Minus 3 plus 3 will become 0. Then again minus 3 plus 3 is there, so 0. Now 7, this minus 4 minus 3 will become minus 7. So 7 minus 7, 0. Then here minus 3 plus 4, it is 1 plus 1. Again minus 3 plus 3, you will get 0. Again 7, this is minus 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is again 0. The last term is minus 3 plus 4, so it is plus 1. This is determinant of A into I. So first step is determinant of A you have to find. The next is determinant of A into I. With that your RHS will be done. So to find your determinant of A, so write this 1. That is the first row, first element you will have to write it. The minor of that you will have to find it. To find the minor, what you have done in your cofactor, the same thing. Column has to be removed and the row has to be removed. Your left out will be 4, 3, 3, 4. So just write it here, 4, 3, that is in your first column, 3, 4 in your, first row and second row. Then for this also you have got your format plus, minus and then plus. So to put this minus here, then your second element is 3. Again open your bracket. The column and the row has to be crossed out. So if you eliminate that, the minor will be there. So it is 1, 3, 1, 4. So 1, 3, 1, 4. Then the next one is plus. The last element is 3. Open your bracket. the row and the column has to be eliminated. So left out is 1, 4, 1, 3. So that is your minor. It is 1, 4, 1, 3. So now you will have to solve it. 1 and 2. So as it is what you have done in your cofactor. 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9. Again minus 3. 4 1s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. Plus 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 4 1s are 4. Now 1 and 2, 16 minus 9 is 7. Minus 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1. Plus 3 into 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So I will get 7 minus 3, again minus 3, because minus into plus here minus, again plus into minus, here it is minus. So I will get 7 minus 6, which is equal to determinant of A into I. So determinant of A, what we have got that answer. I is nothing but your unit matrix, that is 1 0 0. Here you will have to write 3 by 3 matrices. So 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now multiplying by 1 you will get the same answer, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So now check your left hand side and right hand side. So this is your left hand side answer and this is your right hand side answer. So both are same. From here you can write it as A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. So your first part is done. Now going to your second part, A inverse they have asked you, find A inverse. So A inverse, your formula is A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we have found everything. Determinant of A you have got answer here. Adjoint of A you would have got before it is adjoint of A answer is there. Okay. So here 1 by determinant of A is 1. Adjoint of A answer I just write it. So it is 7 minus 3 minus 3. Again minus 1 0. Then minus 1 0 1. So 1 only it is there outside. So when multiplying you will get the same answer. So 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So this is your answer for your A inverse. So this is your formula for A inverse. So with this your second question is done.